Hi everyone, thought I would share a wee update with what I've been working on. I've not been able to do a lot of crochet recently because my hands have been so bad, but I have been kind of working on a few bits. So I've finished the 60 star blanket by the lovely Betty McKnitt, and she very kindly let me know that she has made a granny square pattern to match it, which is just fabulous. I would go and check out her page and her patterns. They're absolutely amazing. They're so easy to follow and they look great. So, not sponsored, but just highly recommend. And she's absolutely lovely. So, I am in the process of making some of the squares. I'm going to make 8 and make them into a cushion. I've got some pink cotton to make a cushion pad thing. So I'll sew that up once I've finished all the squares and I know what size it needs to be. I'll shove that through the sewing machine and make a cushion pad to go inside, and then so I'm going to make 8. So it's going to be 2 by 2 on each side to make a cushion that's going to match my star blanket. So I'm very excited to get these finished. So I've done 3 of these so far and I've just weaved in the ends. So I'm going to get them blocked, and then over the next few weeks I'll make a start on the rest of them. They are actually nice and quick to make. I said the pattern's really easy. Betty's an absolute superstar. Highly recommend them. I have filmed a tutorial on weaving in the ends and a few wee tips and tricks for doing that, so that's going to be up on YouTube. And then I'll have a video tutorial and chat about blocking. That'll be coming next week as well. So I'm going to go and get these blocked, and I'll keep you updated as we go with this project, but I'm very excited to finish this off and see the final results. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.